Do you often send emails at work?
Today, you'll listen to a simple and natural workplace email conversation.
You'll learn how to write, send, and reply to work emails using easy English.
Let's get started.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday English Learning.
Thank you so much for joining us today.
Before we begin, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment if you enjoy learning English with us.
Let's practice English together.
Good morning. Are you busy?
Good morning. I'm a little busy. I have several emails to send today.
Really? What kind of emails?
Mostly work updates, meeting information, and a request from a customer.
That sounds like a busy morning.
It is.
Do you usually send many emails every day?
Yes, I send about 20 emails a day.
Wow, that's a lot.
Yes, but I'm getting used to it.
What email are you working on now?
I'm writing an email to our manager.
What do you want to say?
I want to give her an update about our project.
That's important.
Yes, I want to explain what we've finished and what we still need to do.
Have you written the email yet?
I'm writing it now.
Do you need any help?
Maybe. I'm not sure how to start the email.
You can start with, "Good morning. I'm writing to give you an update on our project."
That's simple and professional.
Exactly. What should I write next?
You can explain the current situation.
For example,
You could write, "We have completed most of the tasks and everything is going according to plan."
I like that sentence.
Then you can talk about the remaining tasks.
Maybe we still need to finish the final report and check the data.
Perfect.
What should I write at the end?
You can say, "Please let me know if you have any questions."
And then, best regards?
Yes, that's a common way to end a professional email.
Great, I'll use that. Do you check your emails before sending them?
Yes, always.
What do you check?
I check the spelling, grammar, and information.
That's important.
I also check the email address.
Good idea.
I don't want to send an email to the wrong person.
Me neither.
Sometimes I also read the email one more time before I click send.
That's a good habit. Have you ever sent an email by mistake?
Unfortunately, yes.
Oh no, what happened?
I sent an unfinished email to my manager.
Really?
Yes, I forgot to check it before sending it.
What did you do?
I quickly sent another email and explained that the first email was incomplete.
How embarrassing.
It was, but my manager understood.
That's good.
Now I always check my emails carefully.
Do you use email for meetings too?
Yes, very often.
How do you invite someone to a meeting by email?
I usually write, "I'd like to invite you to a meeting."
Good.
Then I include the date, time, and location.
What if it's an online meeting?
I include the meeting link.
Exactly.
I also ask them to confirm if they can attend.
That's useful.
What if someone doesn't reply to my email?
You can send a polite follow-up email.
How should I start it?
You could say, "I'm following up on my previous email."
That sounds professional.
Then explain what you need.
For example, could you please let me know if you have had a chance to review the document?
Exactly.
And I should be polite.
Yes, it's always good to be polite in workplace emails. What about urgent emails?
Sometimes we need to send them quickly.
How do you tell someone that an email is urgent?
I can write urgent in the subject line.
That's one way.
But I shouldn't use urgent for every email.
Correct.
Otherwise, people may stop paying attention to it.
Exactly. Do you attach documents to your emails?
Yes, quite often.
What kind of documents?
Reports, presentations, invoices, and spreadsheets.
Do you check the attachment before sending the email?
Yes.
That's important too.
Once I forgot to attach an important document.
What did you do?
I sent another email with the attachment.
It happens.
Now I always check, did I attach the file?
That's a very useful habit. What should I write when I send a document?
You can say, "Please find the report."
That's a useful expression.
Yes. You can also say, "I've attached the report for your review."
I like that one.
It sounds professional and polite.
What about replying to an email?
I try to reply as soon as possible.
That's good.
But sometimes I need time to find the information.
In that case, you can send a short reply.
What can I say?
You can say, "Thank you for your email. I'll check the information and get back to you soon."
That's very useful.
It tells the person that you received their email.
And it gives me time to find the answer.
Exactly. Do you think workplace emails should be long?
Not always.
Why?
Because it's better to be clear and direct.
So I shouldn't write too much.
Right. Give the important information and keep the message easy to understand.
That makes sense.
Short and clear emails can save everyone's time.
I agree. Okay, have you finished your email to the manager?
Almost.
Let's check it one more time.
Okay.
Does the subject clearly explain the email?
Yes. It says, Project Update, August.
Good.
The email explains what we've completed and what we still need to do.
Great.
And I wrote, please let me know if you have any questions.
Perfect.
I also added, best regards at the end.
Then you're ready to send it.
Great. I'm going to click Send.
Go ahead.
Done.
Excellent. Today, we learned useful English for workplace emails.
We learned how to start an email, give an update, ask for information, attach documents, and follow up politely.
Thank you for listening to today's English conversation.
Keep practicing English every day, and you'll become more confident at work.
We'll see you in the next lesson.
Have a wonderful day.
Goodbye, everyone.
See you next time.